CPRE was pleased to receive a nomination for one of our awards from Gloucester City Council for their project to transform a section of the Sud Brook in the Abbeydale area of the city. The housing at Abbeydale was built in the 1960s and 1970s. In common with practice at the time, the brook was straightened and placed in a concrete channel with the aim of getting excess water away as quickly as possible after high rainfall. We understand that it had long been an ambition to restore this section of the brook to a more natural condition, recognising the watercourse as an important element of green infrastructure. The project was developed in consultation with the local community, with input from the Environment Agency and some EU funding. It has seen the removal of a stretch of concrete channel and the reintroduction of meanders, berms and other traditional riparian features along the brook, and the creation of a floristically rich meadow grassland along the riparian strip. The area has been transformed. Our judges considered it an exemplar project and a model which could be achieved elsewhere. The citation, agreed by our judges, reads, "For the successful transformation of a stretch of valley to a naturalistic form, increasing habitat and biodiversity, improving landscape and facilitating access for local people to a pleasant waterside environment."
This project was part of a wider green infrastructure strategy which tries to connect people to wildlife and actually will help wildlife move around Gloucester better. So we took a 1960s, 1970s concrete channel which carried water down past the housing estate and reintroduced meanders and other traditional riparian features. Alongside the banks we've created wildflower meadows, planted trees and put up bird and bat boxes. So hopefully at the end of this will be a really lovely biodiverse area of Gloucester which people will be easily able to interact with it. Really pleased to receive this award on behalf of the City Council. A lot of work by a lot of people. The project itself was part and parcel of our green infrastructure strategy, which tries to connect people to wildlife and wildlife to wildlife. It's a big project, thanks to the funders, the ERDF and the Environment Agency, people at work, in particular Nick and Tom and John, who have worked so hard to deliver it, and the Environment Agency, Karen and Jeremy.